This is the Droid Incredible LTE Take Apart Repair Guide. First step will be to remove the back battery cover. There you can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. I use a Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the 7 T5 screws as shown in the video. Screws removed, you can now remove the first layer of the back housing. The second layer of the back housing will just have a few clips holding it in place. With the clips removed, you can now remove the second layer of the back housing. Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the 2 T5 screws as shown in the video. Use a pry tool to lift away the vibrate motor as shown in the video. From there we can now swing open the motherboard, exposing 2 more jog connectors. With these connectors released, we can now remove the motherboard. The heat gun or hair dryer to begin warming the adhesive holding the front screen assembly to the front housing. Quick movements around the outside edges on the front and back of the screen. With the adhesive properly warmed, you can now use the safe open pry tool to begin prying away the screen assembly from the front housing. Be sure to reheat the adhesive if necessary. Be sure to work your way around all the edges, releasing as much adhesive as possible. Once all the adhesive is released, you can then separate the screen assembly from the front housing. You can now replace the front screen assembly.